alarm is a tool that to detect the water level when a flood is happen in certain area. Okay. So why do we create this cautionary flood alarm? So recently the community experienced a flood disaster, and so when it happens, we didn't have time to save their belongings and important items. So this cautionary flood alarm will act as an early sign to of unpredictable floods.
We move to objective of our project. Okay, our project is mainly about to alert people to the presence of rising water, especially when they're unconscious, like sleeping or cooking, something like that. And our objective to reduce the risk about property damage and injury and loss of life for our old parents which can move, and it can particularly useful in area that prone to flooding like lower area, lower level sea area which can easily flood when just there's like raining. This is our equipment. Mainly is jumpers, water sensor, buzzer, long blackboard, LCD display, LED, and resistor 220k ohms. This is our sketch prototype design, as you can see here.
This is just the evidence of the process, as you can see, just to add something to the slides. So this is the completed project, as you can see in the front. So for the demonstration,
For the demonstration, the device is open, switch on. Okay, so Fakir will demonstrate like a drain to a drain and the flood is rising. Okay, demonstrate. Okay, for in the beginning, so we can see that there is no flood. So if there is no flood, it still will display safe. So we'll know safe and no sound alarm. So we can you can see that at the side has an alarm to aware people. Okay, please slowly. Okay, if the flood comes, the water level is rise a little, and the display will the LCD display still display safe. But if the level of moderately bad, so if the LCD will display warning and the sound beep 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 to aware people. And when the flood is highly arise badly, and the display will show dangerous, and the annoying sound will come out to aware people. So the people need to take a precaution in reducing the flood. Okay.
can just keep it where it is. So for the benefits for the society, firstly, for the early warning, allow people to take necessary measures to protect their property, vital documents, and family members. So when the alarm doesn't detect when the water is rising, but it's still safe, so it gives us some time to check on family members and protect our important documents, So next, improve safety, allow people to switch off any electricity sources and evacuate to high ground. So between the safe and warning, where you can still move easily, you can evacuate the building as fast as you could to search for higher ground, so that you can save yourself. So thirdly, cost effectiveness, by minimizing damage and reducing the need for costly repairs and replacement. So when we save our electronics, for example, our laptops, instruments, so it will save for the cost to repair it. So that is the main aim for our project, to give us some time. If floods happen, give us some time to check on family members, saving the important documents and all that. So I think that's all. So enough.
Okay, we have narrated our task, our project with the one surah in Quran. Surah Al-Ra'd 2 verse 17. You can read. Okay, next. So we are going to see the tadabbur or meanings of the ayat. Okay, this ayat, this verse tell us, the flood is one of our creatures, right? To tell women about his greatness. But if we remember that our childhood, we commonly hear about the Islamic story about the Prophet Noah, about the people of Ad that had faced a flood. So in the Quran said, the flood was due to the makers' disobedience to Islamic teaching, which is da'wah, that from our prophets tried to convey. And but in the concept of science, the flood is not just a disaster, but the flood is can also be an ecological phenomenon caused by human behavior, right? And next, I have to highlight this verse. Next, okay, which is we have learned in our secondary school about the method of faith. It mentioned that ad-daruru yuzalu biqadri al-imkan, means the harm must be removed with as much effort as possible. We as a mu'min cannot just we can't render the risk of flood, but we need to take precaution in reducing the flood. So our task 3, which is cautionary flood alarm using Arduino Uno, can be one of the precautions. Okay. And this is our cost. The total is 45 ringgit.
This is our main reference. This is just a summary of what we presented just now about objective, problems, predicates, and our reference. So that's all. Thank you. Any questions?
The